Tutorial, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 on your Mac using Boosteroid. The process works exactly the same as Red Dead Redemption 2, since Boosteroid is also BYOG, Bring Your Own Game. First, you need to own the game. Buy GTA 5 on Steam, Epic, or Rockstar Games Launcher. The game is often on sale for cheap, especially the base version or the premium edition, which usually includes the Criminal Enterprise Starter Pack. Boosteroid supports all three launchers, so you can use whichever store you prefer. Go to boosteroid.com, sign up, and pick a plan. Link your store account, Steam, Epic, or Rockstar, to Boosteroid so it can access your game library. Search for GTA 5 or Grand Theft Auto 5 in the Boosteroid library and hit play. It will launch straight into your owned copy. A few things are specific to GTA 5 when playing via cloud streaming. If you plan to play GTA online, expect more input lag sensitivity compared to story mode. Heists and PvP-heavy lobbies will feel the latency more than RDR2's slower-paced gameplay. The Rockstar launcher will likely still spin up in the background, even on the Steam version, same as RDR2, so don't be surprised if you see an extra login prompt. Also, GTA Online has long load times into sessions. That's completely normal and not a Boosteroid issue, it's just how the game works. For the best experience, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi to reduce input lag. Close other bandwidth-heavy tasks like file syncing or downloads while streaming. That's it. You now have a solid way to play GTA 5 on your Mac.